Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So, because we have the s, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So, we just have only y to the power of 3. First, the derivative of y to the power of 3, we have 3y squared. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. And we can simplify like this. Next, this one, that is about dy. So we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only this one. This one, we don't have s, so you got 0. And now we have 6sy squared. So we see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. So I will select about this one. And we have 3sy. So for this one, the integration of 2s, we have s squared. The integration of number 1, we have s, and we have 3sy. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides with respect to y. So we have d over dy fsy. This one, we have 3y squared. This one, we don't have y, so you got 0. This one, we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. And we have negative ln of the absolute value of y. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy. So 3sy equals to this one in here. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.